Welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. And if you're into that, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to click the bell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You're just in time because I am in the kitchen. And I have a late start with dinner, so I have a taste for mashed potatoes. My husband has a taste for something with peppers. So I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and make stuffed peppers with turkey meat, mashed potatoes. That sounds good, and it was actually delicious. So I went ahead and skipped a couple of steps because I was rushing for time. As I said, dinner was a little later, and so I made the mashed potatoes. As you can see here, I added a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I'm going ahead and start cooking my turkey meat. You can use substitute. Smells so good. And while the meat is cooking, I do have some fresh peppers that I just harvested from the garden. I'm going to go ahead and use some pasta sauce that I had already made. I believe I canned this in January. So again, I had skipped a couple of steps, but all I did is stuff the peppers with a layer of turkey meat, layer of mashed potatoes, and then just kind of repeat turkey meat, mashed potatoes, stuff it until it's full. Then as you can see, I just added the homemade pasta sauce on top, and then I'm going to place it in the oven on 425 for about 15 minutes. You're not going to have to cook it as long because we already pre-boiled the pepper. I thought I was filming the end. I've already serving the pepper. We use paper plates today, so no fancy dishes. I apologize, but hey, this is real life. Late in the day, and we use paper plates. It turned out really good. I'm happy. My husband was happy. I wanted the mashed potatoes, and he wanted stuffed peppers. So, hey, created a dish where we both truly enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for cooking with me. I hope that you try this at home. It was really, really good. If you do, comment down below. Let me know how you enjoyed it, how your family enjoyed it. As usual, be kind, stay loving, and stay healthy. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell below so you'll be notified. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see others like this, check out my cookbook playlist.